Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing coconut laddu recipe made with jaggery and without any oil or desi ghee. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. First I'm crushing some cardamom. So I have about 8 cardamom. I'm adding it into my stone grinder. I'm crushing the cardamom. Once crushed, peel off the skin and remove the seeds. And now grind the seeds to a fine powder. Once ground, keep it aside. I'm using 125 grams of jaggery. So what I have done is I have crushed the jaggery into small pieces. This is 200 grams of grated coconut. So I'm adding it into my dry mixer grinder. This is roughly about 3/4 of a whole coconut. And now I'm going to pulse it a couple of times. The coconut is evenly ground. I pulsed it 2 to 3 times. I'm heating my cast iron pan, and once the pan is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in 125 grams of crushed jaggery. To help the jaggery melt, I'm using about 2 tablespoons water. Just give it a stir. The jaggery will almost immediately start to melt. I'm using organic jaggery which does not have any sand or dust particles. However, if your jaggery is not clean, please do melt and strain the jaggery. Okay, now the jaggery has melted, and at this stage I'm adding in the grated coconut and give this all a mix. After about 10 to 15 minutes, the coconut will start to release oil, and hence you won't need any extra added oil to make this laddu. So you need to keep on stirring on low flame. After 5 minutes, this is how it looks. It's 10 minutes now. So at this stage, I'm going to add in the ground cardamom powder. And once thoroughly mixed, I'm going to turn off the flame. And now I'm going to transfer this to another plate. This laddu will stay good for about a week and longer if you keep it in the fridge. Spread it out so that it cools quickly. And once it has cooled down slightly but is still warm, you can roll it into laddus. Just take a handful and press and roll it into laddus. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.